Welcome to Dish with Chris, where the recipes are affordable and the food's worth talking about. Today, we're making gyoza. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need to make these delicious pork gyoza. But if you don't have these exact items, don't worry, as I'll provide some alternatives while we cook. If you would like a list of ingredients, they will be provided in the description down below. Today, we will be using Thai cabbage, but if you don't have this, you can also use Napa cabbage for a more traditional filling, or regular green cabbage if you can't find the other two. The cabbage is going to add a good amount of volume and moisture to the filling, but be careful not to cut the cabbage too small, as it will wilt faster while cooking, leading to a more watery gyoza. Next, take a small bundle of green onions and give them a rough chop. Typically, I will use only the white parts for the filling and the greens for a garnish, but don't be afraid to use both. You can also use shallots if you don't have any green onions. For the aromatics, cut off about 1 to 2 inches of ginger. A trick for peeling ginger without wasting any of it is to use a spoon. The skin is so soft that it will come right off without needing to apply any pressure. Once you have all the skin removed, you can either finely dice the ginger using your knife, or if you aren't comfortable with this, you can use a grater using the smallest holes to get a more paste-like consistency. The ultimate time saver is just get the pre-grated ginger in the tubes from the grocery store. Crush 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, depending on the size, and give it a fine chop. Just like with the ginger, you can optionally use the pre-grated garlic in the tubes, or the diced garlic in the jars. In a bowl, add 500 grams ground pork, 3 tablespoons diced ginger, 2 tablespoons diced garlic, 1 tablespoon sea salt, 2 teaspoons black pepper, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 to 2 tablespoons cooking sake, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon chicken stock. Using our hands, mix the meat until we have a smooth texture. Having our hands in a claw position will help prevent any overmixing. Toss in green onions and diced cabbage. Continue mixing the meat until the vegetables are fully incorporated. Time to form our gyoza. I'll be showing you 2 different ways. First is going to be with the gyoza press that I got from Don Quijote in Japan. Take a wrapper, place about 1 tablespoon of filling into the center. Place it into the gyoza press and apply light pressure to seal the wrapper. If you're having problems sealing the wrapper, place a little bit of water around the edges. This is the fastest way for most people. The second way is going to be pleating the gyoza by hand, which looks nicer, but can be a little bit more tricky. Using your fingers, run some water around the edge of half the gyoza wrapper. Place your filling off-center and fold over the wrapper, crimping the left side. Using your right hand, make a pleat to the left side. Repeat until you have about 5 to 7 pleats. And there you have it. Heat a pan over medium and add some oil. Place 5 to 7 gyoza into the pan and fry until golden brown. Optionally, to make the skirt of the gyoza, mix 1 teaspoon of flour to a 1/4 cup water and pour it over the gyoza. Reduce the heat to medium-low and cover for a minute. Drizzle sesame oil around the edge and cook for 3 more minutes. For the last minute, uncover the pan and continue to cook until the skirt starts to release from the pan. Place your plate on top of the pan and give it a quick flip. Wipe up any excess oil with a paper towel. For the dip, add 1 tablespoon chili oil, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 to 2 tablespoons Chinese black vinegar. Once you make these, you're not going to be able to go back to store-bought. If you enjoyed this video and would like to help out the channel, consider subscribing. We're on our way to hitting 1,000 subscribers. And for more affordable recipes YouTube knows you'll like, click here. As always, thanks for watching, and see you next time.